Oh yeah, I'll throw a box at him, that'll show him.
Oh, what the fuck?
Oh, distraction. That's
You
genius.
bastard! Do you not want me to use it?
No, I don't care.
Why is it called the pig stick?
Oh, shit. No.
Coffee.
Let's move out.
Let's go, Frobby.
Where are you, Jack?
Behind you.
Oh,
Ah,
fuck.
shit. God damn it. Where are you?
You gave me a fright.
What the fuck? Oh,
He's
shit.
gonna go get health from the body, Jack. You need to go kill him.
No. I'm turning around.
Sun lightning! Ah! 360 no scope!
Let's take him out.
User joined your channel.
You think I can tolerate your crowd?
Oh shit!
Mate, throw a grenade.
Boom!
Oh,
No, no!
had to be a prick.
No! I will get you
Get
revenge!
out of here.
I will get the revenge! No!
Well, somebody I see there.
Double kill! Double kill.
360 no scope! Nice job!
Wow, that was actually a really good shot.
617.
You got a double kill though.
Ah. My god! How many motherfuckers are there? God damn it!
Fuck this, you ready to see someone go MLG Pro? Here we go. Just watch. Just watch.
Ah!
You got the fix.
Alright, you ready? You ready? Just gonna go kill him. Be right back.
Okay. Where you go?
Up top.
Huh? What?
Oh, here he is. He's right here.
No, I'm not. Oh my god. Nice job, Floppy.
I win MLG Pro. What was I gonna say? What did I say? I told you I was gonna go get him.
Keep him peeled.